What an exciting day. I'm at World Skills UK at the NEC in Birmingham. I'm here with Martin Weeks. Now Martin heads up a number of things within Mitutoyo, but you look after World Skills. Now tell me why Mitutoyo are involved.
World Skills offers a perfect platform for us to be able to obviously show off our own product range, but also the main theme is to encourage young people inspire them into the engineering world, the manufacturing sector, where there is at the moment obviously a very big skills shortage, and this is the perfect platform to join forces with World Skills to accelerate the learning and the understanding and inspire these young people.
Now, how long has Mitutoyo actually been involved with World Skills?
Well, it goes back many, many years. Used to be called UK Skills some years ago, but we've been with them for many, many years, and also World Skills International, which is where the next level is from here, because these people go through a program of competition, and eventually, if they manage to win the national finals and that, they go through to the world finals. And we've covered the World Skills finals since 2007 in Shizuoka, and then we went on to Calgary, London, Leipzig, Brazil, Abu Dhabi, and this last year we just managed to complete Kazan.
Now, I presume I know you've got a big portfolio of products. Are a lot of your products here actually being used at the event?
Yes, we tried to spread it around. We've got, in the World Skills finals, we actually had 1,860 items, 7 coordinate measurement machines as well. Here we've got in the region of about 600 items spread amongst the different skill sectors. That's CNC milling, turning, construction, mechanics, mechanical team challenges. There's every engineering skill sector, we've got some part of that, because we provide them with the hand tools and the measuring tools that enables them to create the competitive artifacts and measure them.
Now, finally, it's the first day. If there is any young leavers, young learners, let's say, are coming to the NEC, what would be your message to come and see Mitutoyo?
Just come and see us, because I think we want to open your eyes and open your mind to what measurement is all about. Whatever's manufactured in this world has to be measured, and it really is quite a shock to these young people to see they don't realise that what they see before them has to be measured. You take this is the thing that everybody's got nowadays. How do we get all of that compacted inside of that case, and how does this operate? It's all due to fantastic quality engineering, but also highly precision measurement. And this is some of the things we like to open their minds so they can see what metrology is all about.
Well, we all know there is a skill shortage, and obviously Mitutoyo are playing their part. Thanks very much for your time, Martin.
Thank you very much. Thank you.